Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So today we are going to draw the character Mirabel from Disney Encanto. So let's get started. So for first we are drawing the hairs of the Mirabel. Make it a little curly and curvy. And just go with me. I have already sketched it with my pencil. And now I'm just moving the sketch pen around the mark of the pencil. Now let's make the eyebrows. Hey everyone, if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get notified every time we post new video. And now let's make the eyes. Make 2 circles inside this like this and fill the gap with black color to make the eyes look really beautiful, just like the way I am doing. Yes, and one eye is completed. And do the same with the other side of the eye. Make 2 small circles inside the big one and fill the gap with black color, and it's done. Now make the eyelids. After eyes, we will make the specs of the Mirabel, the big specs that she is wearing. Make a large circle around the eyes. Yes, and then connect it. And now we'll make the face of the Mirabel. Make a small semicircle like the way I'm doing. Join the 2 ends. Make small earring. Now we are making the body. Yes. It's a very simple drawing. Just follow me step by step. Yeah, make a pattern like this of the dress. Now the other one. Now continue drawing the way I am drawing. It's very easy and simple drawing. Make 2 straight lines for the body and again straight small lines for the hands. Make a heart, little heart, and now we will draw the frock that she's always wearing. Hey everyone, hope you enjoyed the video, and for more such videos please subscribe our channel right now so that you get notified every time we post something new. Thanks for watching. Love you all.